So if the grinder is making a buzzing noise but nothing is coming through, this is normally where there's a blockage. So first step is to shut the grinder, shut the hopper even, take it off. We're then going to undo these screws, and you'll need a star Allen key or a Phillips screwdriver depending on the model. With these it's just a case of loosening them. You then turn it to the unlock and pull it off. After that, we're going to take this section off. So there's a little spring clip here which you just undo and it pops off. From there we've got the next set of screws. So you want to just undo each one of these. So make sure you bring these screws all the way out, not just loosening them. Keep them safe. Once you've done that, you can bring the flapper out as well. And then all you're going to do is going to put your fingers in and pull the top burr out. So that is the top blade there. You'll notice there's always coffee caked on there and on the inside here. So what you want to do is you want to just get a paintbrush and just give it a nice brush and get rid of any grounds, and then get a vacuum cleaner. So get out as much of the coffee as you can, and if you find any bits in there, that's probably what the blockage is. So it could be a bit of wood, could be a bit of metal. So give it a good vac out, and then you can put it back together. So the top burr just slots back in. Flapper goes in with the metal behind. And then put your 3 screws in. Just make sure with the burr it is turned to the little hole, and then you can get it dead tight. Right, so once you've done them as tight as you can rebuild the top. So this top section, which is the grind size lever, if you can't remember whereabouts it was, just pop it in the middle, press that spring in, and it'll clip down. We then get the top part, pop it in, very important to lock it. And then with this one, just tighten these back up. Don't need to be super tight. And then finally, match the groove on the hopper, pop it in, twist, light will come on, ready to go.